Hey guys, welcome to Nicole's Beauty. So this video is a bit different because I'm usually doing my hair, but I just want to get into what I do on a daily when I'm at home and I'm not doing my hair. I'm usually cleaning all day. So I just decided to go ahead and show y'all how I clean my fridge before I get ready to go and grocery shop. Okay, so what I have in this red bottle is just all-purpose cleaner. It's diluted, really. I didn't want to put nothing too strong in my fridge, but I'm just cleaning with all-purpose cleaner, and I'm just wiping it down with a regular rag. I like to use white towels when I'm cleaning because I can't stand white. I can't stand white at all. I don't like white clothes, white shoes. It's just so hard to keep white towels clean, so I don't have them to like bathe with. I just use them to clean up because all I do is just throw it away when I'm done. But other than that, yeah, I'm just using all-purpose cleaner in my red bottle. After I got all of my condiments and all of my things that were on my door, I had to wipe everything down because we touch everything. Like when we put things up, we don't clean them, and they be having that yucky stuff on there, barbecue sauce, mayo. When you be touching stuff, you don't think to clean your hands right, right then and there before you put it up. So, especially with kids, they touch everything. They don't care. They don't care. They licking their hands and then touching stuff. So I had to just wipe down everything from top to bottom, and then whatever was expired, I just threw it away. I had my trash can right in front of me, so I just look at, the expiration date and just threw it away. So if we didn't need it, or we don't really use it, I'm throwing it away. Guys, I don't know what that yucky stuff was in the back of my fridge, but I think that's what was making my fridge smell. Like every time we would open up the fridge door, it was like we get a brief smell of something like spoiled or something like that. So I would like throw things away, but it would never go away. And then I finally seen this stuff spilled in the back, and I don't know what it was. It wasn't sticky or anything, but I didn't care to like smell it. I just got some paper towels. I wiped up the brown spot, and then I got a soapy rag and wipe down, just to clean it off real good. And then I'll go in with my all-purpose cleaner, and then I'll just clean up the whole fridge. Okay, so here's the fun part, because I was getting wet in the process of cleaning these shelves in these containers. Like I would fill it up, and then as I would flip the container, the water would spill on me. It would spill all on the floor. So I had to get a towel and, put it on the floor where I was standing. But yeah, guys, I just love how clean I was able to get these. They wasn't too dirty, but I just like clean stuff, When I'm cleaning and I just see the process, I'm like, yes. Oh, well, the finished process, the finished results, I'm like, yes, that's what I love. So I cleaned it inside and out. If I had to do it a second time of cleaning it, I would do it again. But yeah, guys, so that's pretty much what I did with each shelf in both of the containers. All right, guys, I'm all done. My fridge is clean and smells wonderful. Thank you, Jesus. But yeah, that pretty much completes this video. Me and the kids about to hop in the car and get ready to go get some groceries and fill up this fridge because it's in need. It's needing help. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all on my next video. Bye.